Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Manchester United have made a fantastic start to their season, having won their first two fixtures 40 against West Ham and Swansea City. The Red Devils are in simmering form and are looking like they could make a very good charge for the title this term. Last season, their success hinged on Zlatan Ibrahimovic form, but an injury saw him miss out on the last few games of the season, including their Europa League final success against Ajax. He was only on a year contract with the Red Devils, but has now signed on for another year, where he will earn 180 livres a week. He'll return to full fitness around the month of October. He's still recovering from his anterior cruciate ligament injury and is recouping on his own and will return to team training very soon. Zlatan scored 28 goals for Manchester United in all competition last season and was one of the big reasons why United did so well. Now that he has resigned, many fans are skeptical as there is the presence of Belgian Romelu Lukaku, but there is a feeling around the club that the two could work with each other. Besides that, being Lukaku, United have only Anthony Martial and Marcus Rashford as alternative, but both like to usually play their trade from the wider berths. Therefore, the signing of Zlatan Ibrahimovic becomes that important. His presence always caused trouble in the opposition box and he is undoubtedly an aerial threat due to his physicality and height. Lukaku has started off the season in stunning fashion, scoring impressive goals in the league games as well as netting in pre-season. But Mourinho would have observed that his team lacked another striker that could play in the absence of Lukaku. Besides the goal threat that he carries and his physical nature, he is 35 years old and carries an experienced head on his shoulders that could help the team win the league title. It has been some time since United have lifted the trophy, and with such a strong squad at their disposal, they could come out all guns blazing and achieve success. Mourinho has always won the title in his second season in charge at various clubs, which shows that it takes just one season to get his tactics right. So it could indeed be another special year for United after they won the League Cup and Europa League competition last term. Under these circumstances, having an experienced player like Zlatan will undoubtedly help the like of Lukaku, Rashford and Martial. Despite the hefty price tag that Lukaku carries on his shoulder, let's not forget that he is still only 23 years old and is on a learning curve in his career. He could learn plenty from Ibrahimovic, both are similar in terms of being target man. The Belgian is much quicker though, and the re-addition of Zlatan in the United squad will undoubtedly aid the Belgians' progress. All that aside and done, the Swede always carries an aura around him, and his return to the club will excite many a fan and the manager himself, having coached him at Inter Milan before. It is possible that Zlatan could retire at the end of this season given his age, so he will look to make it a swansong season and a trophy-laden one as well.